everybody, Recycle Cut here. And if I just feed Sandstorm, I believe it's Sandstorm, then I feed Candy Cane.
Hello, people.
Okay. Did it work?
Hello.
Did it work? Pack steps. They're all at 15 pounds.
Yay.
They're all at 15 pounds, but nothing's happening.
Yeah.
Nothing's happening. I think, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah.
Do I just need to play with my puppies? Because they're not happy currently. They're kind of just like,
Did they get any bigger?
they're not bigger.
Oh.
I don't know. I don't think it's. Why do you know? Why do you know that? You don't want to like.
Why?
Okay, I'm gonna kill this coyote, and maybe it will be like, mission complete. Oh, mission complete. The final journey. Stay at the den or let's go. I'm gonna leave. I just gotta get to the.
Yeah.
Okay, get the. Where's the coyote? Where did the coyote go?
Why does my game keep crashing?
Coyote. Sorry, that bad recording. Bad recording officially. Coyote.
Coyote.
Okay, I killed the coyotes, and now the puppies are following me, and I don't have any food for them.
Is your mission
Yeah, the mission's complete. I need to go to the summer hunting grounds. Pause. Compass. I'm freaking out. Okay, so I believe the area we have to go in is right here. The big pink area at yeah. So we're gonna head there. What direction is it in? Where are we? Okay, we're right here. We're going in the right direction. Okay, so I'm gonna record one more episode of Nightmare, and then we're kind of done for the day. But like, I'm gonna leave it off here, and we're gonna kind of go. I'm gonna grab food for the puppies very carefully. And yeah, so we're going, and the mission's complete, and yeah, okay, bye.
Bye.